Good morning, guys. So currently 5 nabita saa 10. Yeah, it's 5 nimu ano matara nabakange, guys. Bwamaze gucya misi saa 10 n'ebyiri zigiye kugera. I'm now sitting here alone waiting for the car, because you wait for the car, it doesn't wait for you. Abantu mwigira ngo ngenda itegingira ntegereza, twebwe wacanga ari kubikora, imodoka urayitegereza. So nicaye hano kugira ngo negereze imodoka igiye kunjyana Shyorongi. I'll see you guys soon, real soon. Does this feel like a crime? Kuryama ku muhanda. Why does this feel like a crime? But I just felt like doing it because I am a rebel. Looks like my ride is here. How are you? Home sweet home. Bro, like what the heck? This thing is so peaceful. Like it is so peaceful. Alright, let's get ready. Tujye mu kazi. Middle fingers to me. Back, we are so bad. Okay, hands, and then okay. Kubera ko tutagiye mu kirori rero ntabwo turi gutwara agasakame, turatwara igikapu. Umufuka, mu mufuka harajyamo iki? Harajyamo umutaka, hajyamo iyi tripod ndi gukoresha, hajyamo rabero, hajyamo sharijeri, hajyamo ekuteri. Of the day, seduction. Iyi nayo ndayitwara just in case. We're good to go. Can't forget my sunscreen. Cannot forget it because these hands are in hands games. Kanshiramo turato ubundi tugende. Nakererewe. Let's go. This is what being responsible means. Kuraho amatara. Uvuze ngo? Guys, I am freezing. Oh my god. Harakonje pa. You said
Anche anch'io mo sì, con i veri. Che raccontiamo? Che raccontiamo? Vabbè, ti ho se leve in bunimo. Ma non go sura. Non go sura. Non go da. Ma ridin ki tempera.
Hi guys, so this is the last day in Gisenyi. We've been here for like 3 days since Friday. I can't count now. Wow, since Friday. And yeah, so today we're about to head home, but before we go home tujye gushungera match y'abakeye batubanze tujye kureba match ya Leo. And I'm going to dress up. Let me put you guys on a tripod kugira ngo mundebe neza. Okay, so you guys are back on the tripod. So I'm going to dress up. Luckily, I'm not going to put on uniform. So yay for me. Don't worry about that. I'm packing. But this is what I bought yesterday. and they just watched it for me bavuye kuyumutsa no you know, washing it. And then I bought this also because we came not prepared. I already told you we came like we thought it was going to be like a 1-day trip. It turned out to be 3. Yay! Who can say no to that? Who would be mad? Who would be mad not to enjoy? Is that too dark? So people were telling me abantu bari kumbwira ngo kora ikinkoresha icyongereza cyane, and honestly English is not my first language. Icyongereza ntabwo ari ururimi rwanjye ngo rwa mbere, ngewe mvuga ikinyarwanda, I use Kinyarwanda, but the reason why I try to like speak English in my vlogs, in my videos, is because like the people who watch my videos are not only Rwandese, if that makes sense. So I just hope you could understand and not bash me in the comments another time, like but I understand ukuntu like it comes off as kwiyemera, but it's not that. I just want gusaranganya kugira ngo whoever is watching my videos can at least understand what is going on, because if you only use Kinyarwanda, you're only limiting yourself to only Rwandese, which I love, but let's be honest, mu Rwanda ntabwo bishyura, mu Rwanda ntabwo yishyura. So if you can't allow people from outside Rwanda to watch your videos, then you're limiting yourself, you're limiting your budget, you're limiting your revenue. So that's why I use English. I don't know how this and this. So I'm going to try and see. I'll be back. It's come as a kwambara, as you can tell. Yeah, so